Hi beauties, welcome back. I've been using the Skin1004 Madagascar Centella Light Cleansing Oil for quite some time now, and it has become a staple in my skincare routine. This cleansing oil effortlessly removes makeup, dirt, and excess sebum without drying out my skin. Its gentle formula, enriched with MCT oil-extracted centella and botanical wonders, ensures a thorough cleanse without stripping away the skin's natural oils. One of the things I love most about this cleansing oil is its lightweight and non-greasy texture. It feels incredibly gentle on the skin and leaves it feeling soft, nourished, and refreshed after every use. Additionally, the subtle floral scent adds a pleasant touch to the cleansing experience. The packaging of the product is also convenient, with a clear plastic bottle and pump dispenser that makes it easy to dispense the right amount of product. Plus, with 200 ml of product, it lasts for months, making it a cost-effective choice. I appreciate that this cleansing oil is suitable for all skin types and is particularly great for oil cleansing beginners due to its water-like light texture. It's also non-comedogenic, which helps prevent pore congestion and breakouts. Overall, I can confidently say that the Skin1004 Madagascar Centella Light Cleansing Oil has earned its place as one of my favorite skincare products. It effectively removes impurities while leaving my skin feeling clean, hydrated, and nourished. I highly recommend it to anyone looking for a gentle yet effective cleansing oil.